Hey everyone, it's Bethany. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Today I'm going to be doing a huge, well not huge, but a printable haul. These are from Paper Crown Planner. They are 7x9 kits. There's 3 of them in here. I'm going to show you those. I also got these from Paper Crown Planner because I just thought they were so cute. They're like summer. I know it's like fall, but I'm still doing my summer spreads, so don't come for me. I thought these were cute. I don't know what I'm going to do with them, but I got them, so there we are. And then I'm always needing these date covers for my Hobonichi because sometimes I just don't want to use, I don't want to use a kit, but I don't want to show the cover, the red over here, this part. Let's see, let me pull up this. So this way I can just, I put them on there to see if they fit, and they do. So whenever I have a week, if I don't have covers, I can use those. Is that, yeah. I got those from, I can't remember where I got them from, but if you want to know, comment down below. I'll be happy to tell you. And I also got these little side trackers that go on there for, you can use them for sleep hours, you can use them for steps. I'm going to use them for steps, and they fit perfectly for the Hobonichi cousin. These I accidentally printed them with no color because I'm an idiot. So I got those. This is just part of the other kit. I'll show you when I get to it. This one I can't wait to use. This is from Studio Sis Design. This looks so cute. This is a kit for the Hobonichi, and I have never used one of her printable kits before, but look how cute they are. The little boxes. You have all these little, dots. You have your days, you have your dates, your weekend, your bottom washi. Here's another piece of bottom washi. Then look, it gets better. There's a floral trim. There's all of these cute little deco pieces. And this, you've got some icons, you've got some little paper tears. I mean, this is so cute. I can't wait. My next video, I'm going to lay this down in my next weekly for my Hobonichi cousin. And as soon as that's done, I will put a link to it right there. And then look at these, you guys. These are also from Paper Crown Planner. I think they call these deco sheets, but look. Oh, these are so pretty. I printed this on matte white paper. Look at this little stamp. So cute. Right? So here's, it's got some words. Like this would be a beautiful journaling kit. I'm going to use it in my Hobonichi. But then I also did it in washi paper. So look, here's the difference between white and washi. The colors get different and muted, but still really beautiful. This is going to look great in my Hobonichi on that paper. So there's those. Cute. What's this called? Oh, I don't know what it's called. Probably something to do with book. Oh, it's called Spring Story Deco Kit. That's from Paper Crown Planner. And, hold on. Okay, so we're going to try to get through this for the third time trying to film this between, it's just too loud in the afternoon, but we're going to persevere. This is a ballet kit from Paper Crown Planner. That is a tongue twister for me. I don't know why. These are the full boxes. Extra couple full boxes, your sidebar, your checklist, your headers. It's a little light, but it's really pretty. I can't wait to use it. All the icons, your numbers, your date covers, your bottom washi, and your boxes. So that's that one. I believe this one's called On Point. And of course the gardeners are back. So I'm just going to have to persevere. This is a sheet that I kind of took pieces that I wanted and didn't want and I didn't cut it into these smaller boxes. But that's the great thing with the printables. You can, you don't have to use or print all of it if you don't want to. This is another lilac kit from Paper Crown Planner. Now, I'm sorry if you can hear that in the background. I don't have another time to do it. So these are all the boxes, the same format as the last one I showed you. And each of these were $2. And today's September 11th. So I don't know. I think it ended on the 9th, but I'm not positive. And each of these were $2. And you can reprint these on your own paper as much as you want. So I got that kit. I got this kit. Okay, so here's the third kit. This is Monet's Garden, also from Paper Crown Planner. I'm really sorry about the background noise. I don't know. By the way, it's weird because he has like no grass in his backyard. It's like all concrete. So I don't know what they're mowing or blowing over there for the last half an hour. Okay. So we're just going to go through it. This is the same kit. I did change a few things. So far, these have all been the same. So cute. $2, you guys. For Paper Crown Planner, that's a great deal. If you have the means to print and cut, I would do it. I mean, and there's all kinds of great deals. I think some of the things I got were like $1.50. And obviously you can keep using them. The paper's not that expensive. It's the machine. This I already had from before. This happens to be the floral for Monet's Garden. I just happened to only buy the floral. So I had that, so I printed that out. So those are the three kits from Paper Crown Planner and $6 for 3 full kits. I mean, so cute. I guess that's it. So I'm going to pull you out a little bit. So that's it, guys. We have these date covers, my sidebars. This is the extra piece from the kit that I printed. Here are all my Paper Crown Planner kits. Look how cute. I think all of this was $9, I believe. No, I'm sorry. $12 for all of this. I can't wait to use this one. This is going to look so cute in my Hobonichi. Thank you so much for watching this haul. I'm really sorry for the background noise. I try to not let it bother me, but thank you guys so much for hanging in there with me. And if you want to come see what this looks like, lay down in my Hobonichi cousin. Like I said, I'll have it up in the cards and come back and see me. Thank you so much. And if you would be so kind to subscribe, like, comment, I would really much appreciate it. Thank you so much and have a great day. Okay, bye.